Session 48 of Unit 4 of Taxation of 5th Semester BB of Mangalore University. Computation of total income and tax liability. This is 20 marks problem asked in November 2020. From the following particulars of BharatWorks Limited, compute book profit as per section 115 JB. This is for minimum alternate tax computation. Total income of the company and tax liability of the company. So this is the profit and loss account given. We have net profit here and the other information is given which we need to take into account. The computation of business income and total income. So net profit as per profit and loss account, add depreciation, which is excess depreciation, provision for income tax, customs duty due, provision for unascertained liability, provision for loss of subsidiary companies, cash payment above 20,000. Less deductible expenses or losses, amount withdrawn from general reserve, depreciation under section 32, excise duty of 2017-18 which is paid during the year, less unabsorbed business loss brought forward, less unabsorbed depreciation. So we get the total income. It is business income, or also there are no other heads of income, so it is the total income 92,400. Now computation of book profit. Net profit as per profit and loss account, add income tax, provision for unascertained liability, loss of subsidiary company, and depreciation there is no effect. Amount withdrawn from reserves, amount in respect of brought forward losses, list of the business loss, unabsorbed business loss or unabsorbed depreciation, whichever is less. So we get the book profit. Computation of tax liability. Tax on total income at the rate of 25%, on the amount 23,100, health and education cess at the rate of 4%. So we get the tax liability. Minimum alternate tax 15% on the book profit 2,99,700, and on 2,99,700 4% health and education cess 11,988. So the tax liability is 3,11,688. When it is rounded off, it becomes 3,11,690, and the company can claim MAT credit, the difference between 3,11,688 and the normal tax 24,024. These are the references.